What's the meaning of car bomb? Car bomb. Car bomb.
Car bomb. Car bomb. A car bomb is a type of explosive device that is placed within or attached to a vehicle. When detonated, it can cause significant damage and destruction to the surrounding area. The blast from a car bomb can result in numerous fatalities and injuries, as well as extensive property damage. These types of attacks are often carried out by terrorist organizations or individuals seeking to cause chaos and harm to innocent people. The aftermath of a car bomb explosion can be devastating and can leave long-lasting physical, emotional, and psychological effects on those affected.